So the thing with what we are doing is trying to produce 3D printed spacesuits. So NASA gave us some funding some years ago to see if the concept was feasible. And we were able to produce some prototypes, and now we have some, in North Dakota, we have some full spacesuits that are totally 3D printed.
That's
So,
awesome.
of course, what we are using is flexible filaments. So it's not the typical thing that you print in a
Right.
in a spacesuit, but in the little toys that the kids
Yeah,
print at
yeah,
school.
no,
But
absolutely.
these are totally flexible plastics. So just to give you an idea, this is, for example, a joint. This is just a demonstration.
An elbow,
But
uh-huh.
it shows you how it works, right? So at full pressure, normally a spacesuit is pressurized at 4 psi or 4.5 psi. So these are completely mobile. And the innovation on this is that instead of having to build it manually, with a lot of skills of the people that produce this is something that a machine can do.
Yeah.
So you can replace gloves, for example. Here we have some 3D printed gloves, which again are produced by a machine. So what we are doing now is we are scanning the hand of the person who's going to use it, or the entire body, through a 3D body scanning system. And with that, we produce a suit that will be specifically tailored to this person. So that eliminates many of the problems, because humans come in all sizes and shapes. So with that, we will eliminate that problem, hopefully. And also the repetibility. Nowadays, you need hundreds and hundreds of hours of very skilled people in order to put together something like this. This is a phase 6 restraint layer. Inside this goes something like that, which is the bladder, which is the airtight membrane that keeps the gas inside, or the vacuum outside. And then you have what is called the TMG, the thermal and micrometeoroid garment, which goes outside. So as you can imagine, this takes a lot of manual work. And what we're trying to do is to see if the astronauts of tomorrow will be able to produce at least portions of the suit with machines, instead of having to rely on heavy logistics and very costly logistics of bringing them from the Earth. So we'll see if it works, but if it does, it will add independence to our future space explorers.
Absolutely.